Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to extend AI video clips in Grok Imagine, which is a free AI image and video generation app. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial to learn how to create videos in Grok Imagine. So I'm logged into my Grok Imagine account. You can use your X account to log in. Then click on Imagine in the left side panel. And this is the home page where you'll see user-generated AI videos. Click on this favorites icon down below, and it'll display all of the AI videos you've generated in Grok Imagine. So I'll click on this video clip, and it'll open this page. If you hover your mouse over the video, you can click this play button, and let me just play it. So this is essentially a 6-second video clip I generated using the free version. And if you hover your mouse over this timeline down below, you'll see this extend from frame button, which essentially allows you to extend the video duration from 6 seconds to 12 seconds on the free version. Also, if you click this 3 dots icon, you'll see this extend option, which is essentially the same feature. And if you click on it, it will indicate that the video clip will be extended to 12 seconds. Down below, you need to enter your prompt, and you can use Grok to do this. For example, I use Grok to provide me with an updated video prompt to extend the scene. And as you can see, it provided me with a detailed prompt. So this is the updated video prompt that I'll use to extend my video clip from 6 seconds to 12 seconds. So I'll enter my prompt into this box down below, and then click on this button. It'll then start generating the updated video clip, and it can take a few seconds. Sometimes it can take about a minute. And as you can see, it has already updated the video, and then this is the first scene, and this right here is the second scene, which is extended. I'll play the video clip with sound at the end of this video. But I just want to quickly show you one quick little feature. If you essentially click here, this button here, you'll be able to download the video clip. And if you're not happy with this, you can obviously just update the prompt below and just re-render it. Now let me play the video clip.
They're closer than I thought.
Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.